Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, as you can see, this is the next edition of the continuing saga of the Cuddas armor. This is the response I got from the one of which I sent to him in response to the one of which he sent to me, and we have a completely new mathematical equation. Completely different. We are now multiplying 5% times 1.157. And as you see in his response at the top of the column there, it states that the math does that up, it's just being done incorrectly. It's interesting because the math which I was using was the original mathematical formula which he sent to me the first time. Those of you who didn't see the last video, let's move down a little more so you can see how he has this set up. There it is. So I can give you a chance to read that. And for those of you who didn't see the first video, we're going to scroll on down. This is a continuing message. We're going to scroll down to what his answer was. And here is the answer from the original mathematical formula which I received, which was 5 times 15.7 divided by 100 equals 0.785. Right, now, let's just scroll back up here again to the top and look at his. And if we're looking, I think it's the second sentence. It says, the effects of the retro lab upgrades are multiplied, not added. Let's go back down here again. Let's check this. Multiply. That's what he says in his newest response. 5 times 15.7. Yeah, we're multiplying them. That's what we're doing. But we're dividing them in the first equation of which he gave me. But in the equation, the new math equation, we're not doing any division. So he says he's sorry about the confusion. Well, I'm trying to figure out how he's sorry about the confusion when he's now giving me two complete different mathematical formulas. Because, well, here's my response. Well, first of all, let's go down here and show, for those who didn't see the last video, this was what I came up with in this column here, because I went ahead and backtracked and checked the Cuddas increase from the earlier retros. And as you can see, the math using the first formula which they gave me doesn't add up. In fact, it comes out actually lower than the percentage which we're being presented with. Now, it seems kind of stupid to be complaining that I'm getting more than I'm supposed to be getting, but I'm trying to understand how this progression is actually supposed to work. And using this first formula which he gave me, the progression doesn't work. It works supposedly at the present point, but when you backtrack to check the previous percentages, it doesn't add up. So the formula can't work if it doesn't work all the way through. So let's go up here and I'll go ahead and let you take a gander at what my answer and response was regarding the new mathematical formula. Because I guess I was right, and as I say in my answer, I guess I was right when I said the math isn't right and it doesn't add up because, well, we have a brand new formula to figure it out. So the old formula must have been wrong. Alright, if you need to pause it to read it, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. But let's see what we get after this one.